Welcome back to Tech Realms. Today we're going to show you how to restart the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. So for this, we have to press the button one time and then press and hold for like around 4 to 5 seconds, and we get the menu here. And we have to press the lower one, which is reset. So when we do reset, everything will be erased. So make sure that you don't want to lose anything. In this case, we're just showing you guys, and we say OK. And this is going to probably take a few seconds to reboot. You can see the logo, and now it has the scan QR code to download the app. So this is what we would want if we want to pair it with the watch. So that's what you need to do to basically set the whole watch. So yeah, this is how you do it for the Mi Watch Lite. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.